I was trying to imagine, the future, because that's always a fun thing to do. And I thought, all right, what would be a cool point to figure out how long it would take until we get there to ask you? And what I came up with was, if we had solar powered robots, right, that could maintenance their own factory to build them and maintenance their own solar power panel factory that produces those and provides their own power, basically they're in this immortal cycle of being able to manufacture, repair, and power themselves. How long till we get there?
Yeah. It is a very difficult question. And unfortunately, I don't have the most optimistic answer in that. But maybe that's one of the things of the legacy of having come from a time when, robotics wasn't easy. It's taken a long time to even get to where we are. So the way I would say is, if you took some very specific functions, Raybert's, hopping robot, or I don't know if you remember long ago when I was a grad student, Rodney Brooks at MIT used to build what he called these small insects.
Oh, yeah.
One called Attila and one called Genghis, and he was trying to prove a point around the subsumption architecture where each individual, how it stands up and then how it walks. All of these, what they demonstrated was you can do some very specific set of tasks and maybe you can get them to do it well. I think the big challenge becomes when you start saying, can you build these general purpose machines that can behave, act, do tasks the way human beings can do? And I suspect that's where you're leading to, that they're building their own factory and they're doing that. And I think that is really a long ways away. And I know that sounds sort of pessimistic. The optimistic side of it is, for specific tasks, yes, you can build those, the technology is getting there, and we will see that happening. So, as long as you're confining it to a very limited set of tasks, yes, I think those are not that far away. But if you want to build a general purpose machine, the same thing that AI is trying to do, the strong AI versus the weak AI. Strong AI is general purpose intelligence, and that's going to be tough.